Hello to everyone, guys. Today in this video, I will just show you how to create a serial number field on sale order line. So for this purpose, for this video, I'm using Odoo 16. As you can see, Odoo 16 Community Edition, and IDE as usual. I'm using Visual Studio Code. Okay, so this is my custom module, which is this one, customization. So let me just tell you what I'm talking about. If I just go in the front end and if I go in sales, let me just open any sales order. So if you can see here, this is a field here, sale order line. Sorry, order underscore line. And it has a different model, which is sale.order.line. And in this model, all these fields are product, description, quantity, delivered, invoiced, unit price, etc. So what that we just want to add another field here, which is serial number. And let me just create a new sale order. So what I'm talking to you about this, whenever I want to add a product here, I just want to here add one. Let's add a product and then add second line and then two. And then third line, and here I want three. And when I delete this, it should be just say two, or it automatically it needs to compute its value. So how we can achieve that, let me just show you. So for that, let me just go in Visual Studio Code. So here, as you can see, this is my custom module, which is customization, and this is my models folder here. So first of all, let me just create a new file here. So we need to inherit sale.order.line. So I would say that sale underscore order line extension dot py. Okay. Let me just copy from here. And so we need to change the class name, and I would say sale order line extension, or whatever name you want to give. Inherit, we are inheriting on sale dot order dot line. We are inheriting a field here. We want to add a new field there on sale.order.line, and the field name we want, let's say line number, and we want fields dot character, and here we say string. We say serial, right, and read only is false. Right. Okay. So, and this field, we also want it to appear on sale order. So basically on sale order, let me just show you. So we want to have that field here, and this field is order underscore line. Sorry. This is order underscore line field on sale.order. And this is another model inside that field, which is sale.order.line. So if we want to appear, if we want to show our field here, we want to inherit it on order line, and then in the tree, and then in other fields. So what we need to do that, we need to go back in our IDE, and here in our view file, already I have inherited something in sale order, so we don't need to change. Everything will remain the same. Model is sale.order, yes, and this is the inherit ID. I have already added sale.view underscore order underscore form. How to find that I have already shown you in my last video, because of we want to inherit that field here. So here, if you just click on edit view form, so the inherit ID you can get it from here. So that's it. We have already got it there, so we just need to do another XPath, which is here, and field is, as I told you, order underscore line. In order underscore line field, we want to go in that tree, and that then in that tree we want to go in the field, and in that field name is product underscore template underscore ID. Okay, from where this field is coming? So we are inheriting in order underscore line field, which is this one where I am placing my cursor. Inside order underscore line, this is a tree view, and inside that tree view, we want product underscore template underscore ID. That field, we want to add our field before that. So we go there and we say before. So again, field name is order underscore line. Then in tree view, field product underscore template underscore ID. Position is before, and which field we want to add. We want to add line underscore number, and that's it. That's it. So line underscore number. So let me just restart service and then upgrade our module. Let's upgrade. Okay, some error here. Saying line number does not exist in model sale.order.line. Let me just go there. So sale.order.line, line number, and let me just go there. Line number, why it's not oh, because we have not added this file in init file. Wow, sorry for that. So the file name is sale underscore order. Yeah, so this is a file. Sometimes we do very silly mistakes. But this is good for exercise. So whenever we are adding any Python file, py file, we need to straight away add in our init file. Okay, so let's upgrade now. I hope it will be fine, because then after that we need to add another computation on our field, which is line underscore number, to do the function for the serial. Still loading. Okay, that has been done. If we go in our sale order now and open any sale order, so as you can see, serial numbers are there. So let's create a new, okay, because we have not added any computation there, so we can't see anything there. Okay, so how we can do that? So we need to add here a compute function, so which is compute and we say get line numbers. Okay, so this function we need to add, we need to write, and before that we need to add some dependency. API.depends, and what field we are depending. So remember, we are in sale order.line at the moment. So in this, the main field is order underscore ID, and then we are going in order that line, because all the computation is happening there. The field is present there. So that's why this is very important. And we are adding pro. Okay, let's do with one field dependency. Okay, then this is our function itself. Okay, so because uh, that there will be many records will be on that, there will be um, one product, two products, three products. Definitely we need a loop there. So if we say for line in self, after that we just initiate with the number and we say a number is 0. Okay, after that we say line, that which is in loop, this line. So line dot line number, which is our field, and we equalize with this number, which is 0 at the moment. Okay, and then we say for any variable in line dot order ID, which is the field I told you in sale order dot line dot order line. And then we are countering it with 1, and then L dot we say line underscore number, our field is equal to number. Okay, I will just explain this code. I hope you already have understood, but I will also explain it. Let's run this code, this compute function, and let's see what it will do. Sorry. Let me just upgrade my module again. No errors. Good news. We go in sales. Let me just create a new sale order here. Add a product. Okay. What it's saying has no attribute order. Sale order dot line. Order. Sorry. Let me just check. Sorry, it's order underscore ID. That is a field. So line dot order underscore ID dot order underscore line. Yes, that should be fine now. Let me just upgrade service now. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. We go in our sale order. Let me just create a new module, new sale order. Okay, so as you can see, automatically 1 is there. We add another product. 2 is already there. We add another product. And 3 is already there. Okay. Confirm and 4 is already there. So anyway, it's so on and so on. Let me just delete one automatically. That is gone. 3 is there. Let me just delete the first one. So automatically that is gone. 1 and 2. So this is what our function is doing. How cool is that? It's really good. Okay, so what this function is doing quickly, let me just explain it to you. First of all, we are this depends. Why we call the depends, that because where our field is totally dependent on that field, which is order underscore ID, which is in sale dot order dot line. On that model, this is the field, and from that model, we are going in sale order. So order underscore line, that one to many, where all the fields are. So this is this field we are depending on. This is the name of our compute function. We are looping on in self, and we are starting where the number is with 0, and then we are equalizing that our field with that 0 number at the moment, and then we are starting a loop in our sale dot order. From we are going from our model to sale order in that one to many field, and we are looping each and every product, and after every product adding, we are adding a counter into that one after each loop, and then we are equalizing it um, with our fields. So this is it. I hope you like this video. If you will like it, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.